Hello, Leo. Today we are going to talk about habits in English.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I really want to learn. Habits are interesting, but sometimes I don't know how to explain them in English.
That's okay. We will start slowly. A habit is something you do often, something you repeat every day, every week, or many times.
Oh, I see. So it is like a routine.
Yes, a habit is like a routine, but a routine can be a little bigger, like your whole day. A habit is usually one action, like drinking tea or brushing your teeth.
Okay. For example, I drink tea every morning.
Perfect. That is a habit. You can also say, I brush my teeth every morning.
Oh, yes, I can say that too. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good. Now, in English, we often use words like always, usually, sometimes, and never to talk about habits.
I know these words, but I don't always know how to use them.
No problem. Let's try together. First, use always in a sentence.
I always drink water in the morning.
Very good. That is correct. Always means you do it every time without missing it.
Okay. Next, usually. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Excellent. Usually means most of the time, but sometimes not.
And I sometimes eat breakfast at a cafe.
Perfect. Sometimes means not every day, only a few days.
And I never eat chocolate in the morning.
Very good. Never means 0 times, not at all.
Okay, I think I understand better now. Always equals every time. Usually equals most of the time. Sometimes equals a few times. Never equals 0 times.
Exactly. Very good summary. Now, let's practice asking questions about habits. The common question is, what do you usually do in the morning?
Okay, I will try. What do you usually do in the morning, Emma?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., then I drink water and do some stretching. After that, I make breakfast.
Nice. I can say, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I take a shower, then I eat breakfast. After breakfast, I read a little book.
That is an excellent answer. You even added extra details. That is very natural English.
Thank you. Can I also ask you another way? Like, do you have a habit of drinking coffee?
Yes, that is another good way to talk about habits. You can say, I have a habit of, for example, I have a habit of reading before bed.
Oh, then I can say, I have a habit of listening to music every night.
Perfect. That is a very natural way to talk about habits in English.
Can we talk about good and bad habits too?
Of course. Let's start with good habits. What is one good habit you have?
I exercise 3 times a week.
That is excellent. Exercise is a very healthy habit.
I also read books every night.
Wonderful. Reading is a very good habit. It helps your mind and your English, too.
Okay, now what about bad habits?
A bad habit is something that is not good for you or sometimes causes problems. Do you have any bad habits?
Yes, I sometimes go to bed late.
You can say, I have a bad habit of going to bed late. That is correct.
Oh yes, I have a bad habit of going to bed late.
Very good. Another example, I have a bad habit of eating too many snacks.
Yes, me too. I sometimes eat too many snacks.
That's okay. Many people have that habit. English people often talk about habits this way.
Can I ask about your habits again?
Of course.
Emma, did you have any bad habits when you were young?
Yes, I used to eat too much candy, but now I eat it only once a week.
Oh, I see. I used to play games all day, but now I read books and exercise.
Perfect example. Now, let's learn how to talk about past habits more. We use used to for past habits.
Oh, can you give an example?
Sure, I used to play football when I was a child.
So used to means I did it before, but not now.
Exactly.
Okay, I try. I used to wake up very late when I was young.
Very good. That is perfect.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Emma, did you have any habits when you were a child?
Yes, I used to read many storybooks every night. I loved reading before bed.
Wow, me too. I used to play outside with my friends every afternoon.
That's a very good sentence. You can also use would for past habits.
Would? How?
For example, when I was a child, I would visit my grandmother every Sunday.
Oh, so would is also for things I did often in the past?
Yes, exactly. But remember, we usually use would only for actions, not for states or feelings.
Okay, I understand. Can I try? When I was a child, I would ride my bike every day.
Excellent. Perfect sentence. Now, let's talk about changing habits. Sometimes we have habits that we want to stop or start.
Oh, like good habits and bad habits.
Yes, like for a bad habit, I used to eat too much candy, but now I don't.
Oh, I can say, I used to go to bed late, but now I sleep early.
And for a new habit, we can use start, begin, or get used to.
Okay, I started drinking more water every day.
Very good. You can also say, I am getting used to waking up early.
Oh, I see. I am getting used to eating healthy food.
Now, let's compare your habits now and in the past. You can use used to for the past and now for today.
Okay, I used to watch a lot of TV, but now I read books.
Perfect. That is very natural. You can also say, I didn't used to for things you didn't do before.
Oh, can I try? I didn't used to exercise, but now I exercise 3 times a week.
Excellent. Very good. You can also use still to show habits that continue.
How?
For example, I still drink tea every morning. It means I did this in the past and I do it now too.
Oh, I can say, I still read a book every night.
Perfect. That shows a habit that continues.
So we have many ways to talk about habits. Always, usually, sometimes, never, used to, didn't used to, start, get used to, still.
Exactly. And now you can talk about habits in the past, habits now, changes in habits, and habits that continue.
Wow, that's a lot, but I understand better now.
Yes, the key is to practice. Try to talk about your habits every day in English, even small sentences.
I will. I read every night, I exercise 3 times a week, and I am getting used to waking up early.
Perfect. That is a great practice.
Thank you, Emma. I feel I can talk about my life and habits in English now.
Very good, Leo. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural.
Yes, I will also try talking about my friends' habits and my family's habits.
Excellent idea. That will help you use English in real conversations.
I am excited to do that. Thank you for teaching me.
You did all the work, Leo. I just guided you. Your sentences are very good. Keep it up.
You'll find even more interesting and exciting stories here, so make sure to subscribe to English Stories with Arif. I'd also really appreciate it if you liked this video.